No matter what year it is, marketing will always be an essential part of a brand's promotion and success. However, marketing methods can always keep changing. Earlier, it focused more on TV ads, banners, and now we've come to the digital era. With this change, there's one significant change: the increasing power of buyers. With the help of search engines, people can find information for almost anything. They can follow anyone on social media and watch any video on YouTube to know about anything. All these increase buyers' power to choose the correct services for their needs. It eventually decreased the strength of marketing, which focuses on presenting the product to the customers, which they're not even looking for, which we call outbound marketing. But it also increased the strength of the opposite form of marketing, the inbound marketing. Hence, as a brand, you need to increase your focus on the inbound form of marketing. But before that, it is essential to understand what inbound marketing actually means. It's fundamental, how it's different from outbound marketing, and what you have to do in inbound marketing. There are a lot of questions to answer, so let's get started. But before that, just one favor: subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon for notifications. Now, what actually is inbound marketing? Inbound marketing is a strategy that focuses on marketing the brand where the potential customer will come be on their own as a search engine. Daily, millions of people search their problems of search engines. In this case, if you choose to write a blog and the customer themselves come to that blog, there is a massive chance that this person can turn into a prospect and then a customer. And this is what inbound marketing aims for. It first focuses on attracting a stranger, then making it a prospect, turning the prospect into a customer, and then retaining that customer. It is drastically opposite from outbound forms of marketing. Outbound marketing involves TV commercials, billboard, radio ads. When this outbound method is promoted, there is no confirmation that the viewer is interested in it. You can watch thousands of TV commercials, but are all of them for you? No. But when you search about a subject on YouTube, it's the one thing which you are interested in. It makes inbound marketing much more effective than an outbound one. After you know how both are different, now it's time to go more in depth to understand how inbound marketing actually works. Now, inbound marketing works in 4 steps: attract, convert, close, and delight. Now, let's see each step in depth and understand the first: attract. Attracting is the first step where you aim to attract your potential customers. But who is your potential customer here? Well, this is actually the first task you have to execute here. To identify your target audience, you have to create a buyer persona. It's a data-driven analysis that helps you identify demographics, interests, income, and many other details. Now, I'm not going to explain this in detail as we should focus on inbound marketing. Although we've already created a separate video on the buyer's persona, just click the I button in the right corner to watch it. After you create a buyer's persona, you know whom to target. Now it's the main part, which is the content. You'll use content to attract viewers to your site or other platforms. You'll create a blog on your site, create a video on your site, or platforms like YouTube. You should also use social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. In addition, you can also run advertisements here. The reason to create content is to help your customer wherever they are. For example, you are a health supplement brand, so your target audience would be fitness enthusiasts. To attract this audience group, you can post a blog, video, social posts, etc., which will help them in their query. So whenever these people search a question on Google or a video on YouTube, and if they come to your content, then you've successfully attracted them. Once you successfully attract a person, it's time for the second step: convert. Convert in inbound marketing is converting a visitor into qualified leads. Before that, your visitor was just the one who was following you on social media, checking your blogs, maybe watching your videos. But now, you need to make it a qualified lead. And how do you do that? Simply gaining contact information for the visitor. To gain contact, you can use lead generation techniques. So the first thing is creating landing pages that help you generate leads. Also, content can play a very crucial role. You can create an ebook, checklist, or another form of content and provide this to the visitor after they provide you their contact information like name, email, phone number, etc. Once this is done, we'll move to the next step: close. This is where you convert your leads into your actual customers. You can use email marketing to do this. You can inform them about your product. You can give them an offer and a lot of other things. It eventually leads to buying your product or service. Once done, things don't end here, as we have the last step, delight. You may have a question here like, why is there another step when the sale is made? Simply for two reasons: customer retention and word of mouth. The customer may have purchased your product or services, but that doesn't mean their experiences will be good. The customer may have had a complaint or need help after buying the product, and how good is your post-sales support may decide if the customer is delighted or not. Hence, it's essential to provide the best customer service. For that, you can provide calling support, chat support, adding a help section on your website, and email support. If that is good, then it will be easy to retain a customer. And also, the customer can promote your product by word of mouth, which will help you attract more customers. So, this is how outbound marketing can help your business grow in 2022. As a brand, it's a must to focus on the inbound marketing method and get outstanding results. So that was the video. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like our video. Also, please let us know which other topics we should cover next in our upcoming video. Thanks for watching.